In a hurry to get great tasting filtered water? With the Frizzlife under-sink water filter system, a two-stage filtration system is designed for lightning-fast installation. A quick twist-in design initiates the filtering, and pure water flows from the faucet within 3 minutes. A unique auto shut-off feature is so intuitive that it not only turns off at the optimal filtration point, but it also shuts off if you disconnect the filter cartridge when you need to replace it or perform light maintenance. Frizzlife takes sustainability and money saving seriously too. Only the core filter cartridge needs to be changed and then discarded, and that means that the plastic housing and parts stay under the sink and don't end up in the landfill. Installation is worry-free. Whether the cold water intake valve under the sink is 3/8 or 1/2, Frizzlife is compatible with your kitchen faucet. Frizzlife is a multi-purpose water filtration system and is a fantastic solution for an ice maker. The Frizzlife under-sink water filter system is super lightweight at only 4.2 pounds, and it measures 13 inches high, 5 inches wide, and 5 inches deep. It comes with a 3-year warranty with product registration. Here are the pros. Removes over 58 different contaminants. Installs in just minutes. No plumbing required. Unique built-in shut-off valve. And the cons. Difficult to remove the outer housing. Plastic screw connections may break over time. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive Freshnss discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching and see you next time.